What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Where y'all been at? Anyways, we got a package sent to us by Suprint Pro. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about them, and let's go ahead, unbox it, check out what they sent us, and you already know, time for a review. Let's get it, guys. So Suprint Pro did accidentally send us two of the same thing, so I emailed them about it. They did confirm it was an accident, but you know what they said, guys? Suprint Pro is down for the cause. They said I can keep both and give one away to one of you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching the video, and I'll give you guys more details on how you guys can get one of these absolutely free. Got it? Let's get it, guys. Alright, so let's talk about some pros and cons about this clipper. We'll start off with the pros. It is super lightweight, pretty much like a magic clip. The runtime on it was really great. I did like 2 haircuts or so at 100% and only went down by like maybe 15% or so. So plenty of life left on the battery, and that's kind of like 40-minute cuts, I'd say. The clipper feels great. It has like a finger rest behind it, just kind of like a magic clip as well. So it's very comparable to like a magic clip. The quietness of the clipper is really nice. You know, it's not going to be super loud. One of the things that I did notice is that the blade does not overheat. That's going to be a great thing. You know, when you're tackling a lot of haircuts throughout the day, I did not feel any heat from the blade. The power wasn't too bad. It is 7800 RPM, so it got the job done. So now let's talk about the cons. The first thing is, which was the main thing, was the blade. I really don't like taper blades. It was it kind of threw me off in the beginning when I was first starting to use it, especially with balding out and all that good stuff. I don't know, I just feel like it didn't get as close to my likings. I like to zero gap my blades. I did zero gap this one, but I think I might need to zero gap it a little bit more and give it another try. Obviously, being at 7800 RPMs, it would bulk fine, but I did notice that it would leave a hair here and there. Let's say a 3 on top. They wanted a 3 on top. I did notice it didn't get all the hairs all at one swipe or 2. I think that is mainly my pros and cons for it. I have to use it a little bit more so I can kind of get more of a feel for it. But overall, guys, it is a great clipper at a great price. I think it's at $80. When they did send me this clipper out, guys, they did provide me with the code. If you guys want to purchase this clipper or anything like that, make sure to go to the website, use my code, and I believe you get 25% off, which makes it even a killer deal. This clipper, I would recommend it for a lot of beginner barbers, man. If you're trying to stay on a budget and, you know, obviously you want to get your money's worth, I think this clipper would be perfect for you. I feel like this clipper feels great. It'll last you a while. Felt good. Quality, pretty solid. Comes with a charging stand and all those goodies. Usually something like this will run you easily, like for a clipper, at least 150. So that's kind of where the market's at right now. You're getting a super good deal at $80. I think that's on their website. Supreme Pro's always putting out deals, but if you use my code, you're gonna get a lot more off. I'm gonna keep it simple for this giveaway, you know, since it did send as an extra clipper. I just need you guys to like this video, drop a comment, say what's up, make sure to be subscribed. I will be checking. Let's get back onto this YouTube grind, and a huge shout out to Supreme Pro for sending out these 2 clippers. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.